Okay, let's get started. You read the thumbnail. So in today's video, I want to talk about the Club Cash Fund. It's an organization that will help you with funds. I mean, if you're going through some kind of hardship, if you're having trouble paying your student loan, even credit card debt, this organization is here for you. It will help you, and I'm telling you, you will not regret joining this organization. In front of you is a welcome package. Once you join, they will send you out a welcome package, and that's the envelope, and then you get this package that comes inside of it. And in that little box that says important, it actually says you do not need to do anything, whatever, in order to make money with this program. And you can disregard this welcome package if you want to do absolutely nothing. It is set up so that you do nothing, have to do anything at all. However, if you wish to promote your position with CCF and potentially make more than doing nothing at all, then please read this welcome package thoroughly. So, the welcome package will basically tell you a little bit more about the company, and once you decide to join, what will happen is you'll go to the link below this video and you will request a starter kit. They will send you out the starter kit, and you'll put in your information. And once you get that starter kit, it will explain more about this wonderful organization. And you can decide whether or not you want to be a part of it. I joined about, I guess it's been maybe 2 weeks, a week and a half. And I did get my first, I don't know if to say check. Well, it's normally money order or cash. So my first commission came this week, and like I said, I've been in this organization now for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. I did cross my name out, my address out, but this is the commission that came this week, and I will open it to see what's my first commission. So I actually got a commission payment. So let me see if I can open it so that you can see. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm opening it now so that you can see what's inside this envelope. Okay, so this is it. Done for you mailing. And let's see what's inside. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, so let me turn it around. And this is what I have. And it says right here, Magnolia, thank you for being a part of Club Cash Fund. Here's your $20 commission from April 19, 2024. So it's $20 for $5 bills. And this is, like I said, it's a commission for join. Every time someone joins under your name, you'll get a commission and others will get commissions as well. So I think this is a great program, and it says please leave us a testimonial message, and you can call and leave a message, telling how you feel about this program and what it has done for you, whether it's your mindset or physical products. But it's a great organization. I'm gonna promote it and stay with this. I'm gonna stay with this club and see what happens. So I am definitely going to keep you informed, and I know it's going to be more commissions to come. And like I said, all you have to do is click the link below this video to get more information about this wonderful, wonderful company. So I thank you. This is a short video, but I just wanted to, excuse me, I just wanted to come on and, let you know that this company is real. It's not fake. It really does send you commission payments in the form of cash or money order. So give it a try. I mean, you have nothing to lose. This is a great program. So with that being said, I hope to see you in my next video, and good luck to you all. Thanks. Bye now.